What does it mean to be part of an LLP? And how is the LLP, also known as the limited liability partnership, different from other types of businesses? In this video, we will discuss what is the LLP. Make sure to stay until the end of the video to find out what you should include in your LLP agreement to avoid legal issues. If you're new, I'm Zoppi, an English qualified solicitor, and I help UK SMEs with their corporate and commercial legal needs. So what is an LLP? There are three main things we'll be discussing. Number one, the fact that the LLP is recognized under the law as a separate legal person. So just as you and I are natural persons, meaning human beings, an LLP is recognized as a legal person, but a person nonetheless. A person that can enter into contracts and take on debt. Secondly, the LLP is registered at Companies House, so it must be incorporated. There are filing requirements, and certain key information must be published on the public register that is Companies House. And thirdly, the LLP is made up of two or more partners who come together with a view to make a profit. And these partners have limited liability, which means they're not risking their house in personal possessions. Now, before we discuss the top three things that you should include in your LLP agreement, feel free to send me an email if looking for professional legal advice. Great, so what should you include in your LLP agreement? First, how profits and losses are to be shared amongst the partners. Are they to be shared equally or in proportion to how much capital each of the partners have invested into the LLP? Secondly, the kinds of duties that the partners have, whether specifically or generally towards the partnership and the remaining partners. Thirdly, the kinds of decisions that should require partnership consent. So, for example, you might want to specify that no one partner can go out and take out a large loan on behalf of the LLP without the approval of the other partners. Now, as I'm sure you will know, the LLP is just one of the three main types of partnerships that exist in the UK. If you want to find out more about the types of partnerships that exist, make sure to watch this video right here.